everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here, welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how Talinding looks the Gambia in 2025, plus it's already rainy season in the Gambia too. I'll be showing you how it looks too in rainy season. So guys, don't waste too much time, let me just turn the camera. I will go in this way, which will lead me deep inside, deep down Talinding. Yeah, I'm walking towards deep inside Talinding. This is Africa, the Gambia in 2025. Maybe somebody can be watching this video even 100 years later. But this is how the Gambia looks in 2025, and then this is Talinding. Yeah. And let me try to get to this other side. And then guys, this is how the real life looks here in this part of the Gambia for Talinding. And guys, hope the lightning is okay because I'm walking against the sunlight. Yeah. This is Africa for you. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in Talinding. Yeah. Showing you how the real streets of the Gambia looks. This is what's going on here. As you guys can see, the bustling street of Talinding. Guys, this is the bustling street of the Gambia, Talinding. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, the more I keep on walking towards the way I'm facing, the more I'm getting deep inside. The more I'm getting deep inside Talinding. And guys, this is how the taxis looks here. They are mainly painted in yellow and green color. I will show you another one. Yeah, this is how the taxis looks here. Guys, this is deep inside a local neighborhood of the Gambia. Here is called Talinding. This is Talinding for you. Guys, I'm walking against the sunlight, so I don't know whether the lightning will be okay. Guys, I'm walking against the sunlight, so I don't know whether the lightning is okay. Yeah, because most of the time when we are filming and walking against the sunlight. It doesn't give us the quality of videos we want. Oh my goodness. As I said earlier, guys, it's rainy season here in the Gambia. That's why you guys will be seeing water on some parts of the road. Guys, I'm still in Talinding, and then I will soon end this video. I just want to walk for a little bit and then close this video, and then hope you guys are enjoying what you guys are seeing, what your boy is getting for you here. Yeah. And if you watch the video till here, make sure you like and then subscribe for this channel.
Ini para allá. Iya. Ini kat rumah ini. Ah. Anda minum ada, kau minum ada ni. Ah, ada lah.
Judges, I just wanna show you some parts of Talinding. That's why I don't steal in the video. Oh, here is a police station. Anyways, viewers, so guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. Peace. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Talinding, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out.